The Farmer and the Dog. Once, in a peaceful countryside, there lived a farmer named Jack. Jack had a loyal friend, Max, a big, friendly dog. Each day, they started work together. Jack planted seeds, and Max loved digging in the dirt. They watered the plants, and Max chased away birds. Jack had cows. The cows gave milk. He had chickens too. The chickens laid eggs. And there was a little piglet. The piglet oinked playfully. Max watched over all the animals. In the afternoons, they rested under an oak tree. Jack ate his lunch, and Max wagged his tail, waiting for a treat. One day, a big storm arrived. The wind howled and the rain poured down. Jack and Max hurried to protect all the animals in the barn. When the storm ended, Jack patted Max on the head.
"You're my best friend, Max. You helped keep our farm safe."
Max barked happily, waving his tail. And so, Jack and Max kept working on the farm. They knew they could handle anything together. They were the best of friends.